Lamok na nga lang nakikinabang sa katawan ko. Napatay ko pa.
Pre, ano na nga ulit yung meaning nung FF?
Horay?
Babe, nakauwi na ako.
Kinek ko yung phone mo kanina. May nakita kong lalaki dun sa gallery mo. Sino yon? Ha?
Matagal na yun, past is past.
Anong pass is pass? Tapos na pala eh. O bakit hindi mo pa dinidelete? Siguro namimiss mo, no?
Hindi, ako yung dati nung hindi pa tayo magkakilala.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let them say we're crazy, I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop.
Kapag ang isang tao napanaginipan mo, ang ibig sabihin nun, tulog ka.
Di ka man lang nagising, di ka man lang.
Pre, ano na nga ulit yung meaning nung FF?
Horay?
Jajari ja, jari bata, jari bata. Jajari ja.